Thank you for joining Travel Ideas. Bali's beaches are world famous, drawing visitors from all over the globe with their stunning beauty and vibrant atmosphere. But today, we're uncovering 5 hidden gems you probably haven't heard of. These secluded spots offer a more tranquil and intimate experience. First up, Niang Niang Beach. Think golden sands and turquoise waves all to yourself. Next, head over to Green Bowl Beach, a snorkeler's paradise. Third on our list is Ahmed Beach, known for its black volcanic sands and vibrant coral reefs. Then we have Balangan Beach, framed by towering limestone cliffs. And finally, Suluban Beach, hidden beneath a rocky cave entrance. So pack your bags and get ready to explore Bali's hidden paradises. Next on our list is Padang Padang Beach. Tucked away behind a narrow passage between 2 cliffs, this beach is a hidden surf haven. The journey to get there is an adventure in itself. Descend a set of steep stairs carved into the rocks. Padang Padang Beach is famous for its world-class surf breaks. If you're an experienced surfer, the waves here will offer you the challenge you crave. But even if you're not into surfing, the beach's natural beauty is captivating. The soft white sand and crystal clear waters make it an ideal spot for sunbathing and swimming. Make sure to add it to your Bali itinerary. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more hidden gems and travel tips. Your next adventure awaits. Next on our journey is a magical spot that often goes unnoticed, the Enchanted Tide Pools. Known for its unique rock formations and crystal clear waters, it's a must-visit for any beach lover. Located just a short trek from Padang Padang Beach, these tide pools offer an intimate connection with Bali's marine life. As the tide recedes, small pools of water form between the rocks, creating natural aquariums filled with vibrant sea life. Starfish, small crabs and colorful fish are just some of the creatures you can observe up close. Make sure to add this spot to your Bali beach itinerary. If you enjoyed this peek into Bali's hidden treasures, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more off-the-beaten-path adventures. Finally, we have Dreamland Beach. Nestled away from the bustling tourist spots, Dreamland Beach is a serene haven. Located on the Bukit Peninsula, it offers soft white sands and dramatic limestone cliffs. Descend the steps to the soothing sounds of waves crashing against the shore. The beach is relatively uncrowded, perfect for sunbathing or picnicking. The turquoise waters are ideal for swimming and beginner surfers. What sets Dreamland Beach apart is its enchanting sunsets. The sky transforms into vibrant colors, creating a magical atmosphere. Enjoy local flavors at beachside warungs. Sip a refreshing coconut drink as you take in the stunning scenery. Like, comment and subscribe for more hidden gems in Bali. Stay tuned for our next adventure. As we continue our journey through Bali's hidden treasures, let us unveil a secluded paradise that remains untouched by the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Welcome to the secret Cove of Serenity. This hidden cove is a sanctuary for those seeking peace and solitude. You're greeted by a breathtaking sight, a secluded beach with powdery white sands, framed by towering cliffs and swaying palm trees. The clear azure waters gently lap against the shore, creating a soothing symphony that instantly calms the soul. As the day draws to a close, the cove transforms into a magical haven, with the setting sun casting a golden glow over the landscape. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Bali's hidden beaches. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel inspirations. Until next time, happy travels!